I wanted to give you a lesson that you can do at home that is a math lesson. This is great for those children who are learning their numbers, learning one-to-one correspondence, quantity, and it's things that you could do with materials you have at home. So we call this our fetching lesson. We have it out on our shelves in our Montessori classrooms all the time. The children love it. There's a lot of movement, there's a lot of repetition, there's a lot of practice. What you will need is index cards. You're going to write the numbers 1 through 9 nice and bright on the index cards. You can have these on a shelf somewhere, wherever you want to kind of set up your environment for some learning at home. And then what you're going to need is a basket, any kind of basket, and 45 objects. We love these little animals from those little tubes. So I have 45 counted out in here, but I just real quick kind of looked through my house. I had a collection of stickers that I could use. We recently had a birthday party. I had a lot of forks. We have many, many packs of pencils, or if you are the little reward afterwards, although I don't know if you want 45 of these, so you might want to be careful with how many you dish out, but food is always a great incentive. And then you also want like a little container to collect. So one more last thing is, if you have something, you would want some kind of a rug just to kind of identify your space. This I actually got, and it's great. It's a little dark, but this is from the dollar store. So you have your child put their rug out on a open carpet. You want your basket somewhere else. You want the children to do some movement. Again, it's such an important part of their learning is to move. So the basket may be somewhere else. And then you give the children the cards. And you say 1, you give them the basket. You can either send them with a card that has the number 1 to go get one object, or you place the 1 on your rug. The child goes and chooses 1. They bring it back to your rug. You lay it out 1, 1, and you lay it top to bottom, left to right. They continue doing it 2. They put the 2 in. They go over to their basket. They get 2 objects, 1 object, 2 objects, bring it back and build. She's okay. So again, it's quick, it's easy. You can do it with lots of materials you have in your house. You can change these objects daily, weekly. You can go for a nature walk and collect things. You use 45 specifically because when you add up the quantities 1 through 9, it's 45 objects. So again, this is a great, you want to do that? We can do it. This is a great tool to use at home, and feel free to add ideas in the comments. We can kind of use this thread to help each other, like, hey, I used something new today and it worked out really great. If you'd like to see more pictures, feel free to email me, and I will be sure to keep adding more ideas. Thanks. Oh, she got the fish. Talk to you soon.